Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco M3 Pro 5G. Okay, so what we will need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it is part of the box. So in the box we will have another yellow box, the small one here, and if we open it like this, we will find the SIM ejection tool here at this place. Okay, so just flap the wings and remove it. Otherwise you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in that SIM tray you're able to insert one SIM card, and if you want, also a second one or a microSD card. Okay, so let's start now with the first SIM card, the main SIM. So you put it like this. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. And as I said, if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. In that case, you have to place the second SIM card here at the end, like this. So also missing corner on missing corner, but at this time the missing corner is below. So it should like this then, huh? And the contacts are on the other side below. Yeah, but if you want to have a microSD card, so you have to decide between a second SIM or a microSD card. So let me remove here the second SIM card to enter a microSD. So the microSD comes like that. So it has to look like this then at the end. And the contacts are also below. Okay. And after, you can put your construction back into the phone like this, close it well, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested. Or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.